Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Acura MDX. Unleash luxury and performance. Explore the 2011 Acura MDX SH, all-wheel drive with advance and rest. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 127,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Experience luxury and power. 2011 Acura MDX SH, all-wheel drive W/advanced W/res. With a 3.7L V6 engine delivering 300 horsepower, this SUV offers exhilarating performance. Palladium Metallic exterior, Ebony interior, and advanced tech features like GPS navigation and rearview camera redefine sophistication. Low mileage, clean Carfax, and 16 mpg city/21 highway ensure reliability and efficiency. Don't miss out. Schedule your test drive today.